What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day, as you probably know, Pixel 4a 5G and Pixel 5 are going to be announced very, very soon, aka this coming week, September 30th. Google's going to have a big announcement for these two phones, and it looks like we know when they're going to be up for pre-order and release date and all that stuff. This information comes from John Prosser, who says that the Pixel 5 5G is going to come in the colors of just black and subtle sage. I messed that all up. You know what I mean, though. Pre-order is going to start on September 30th, and it'll launch on October 15th. Remember, that sage color is that green color we showed the other day. And then he's saying the Pixel 4a 5G is going to come in just black. Pre-order will be, again, it'll be September 30th, and the launch is going to be November 19th. Kind of weird. I don't know why there's such a delay on the launch date, but just be forewarned. And then the Pixel 4a 5G, there was supposed to be a clearly white, but that's delayed until 2021. So he's saying that's most likely canceled altogether. So if you're looking to get one of the new Pixel phones that are going to be coming out, especially the 5 or the 4a 5G, you're coming out in the next couple weeks or so. So it should be, again, very, very soon. And the price for the Pixel 5 is supposed to be $699. It's kind of high, especially when you consider it's a Snapdragon 765 in there, and you can get a Galaxy S20 Fan Edition for the same price with better specs. I don't know, but my money might, if I was going to buy one of these phones, I'd probably put it more towards the Samsung one. And the last story of the day, I wish I had them on me, but I don't, but the Galaxy Buds Live, which I love, but I've been having some connectivity issues where it like goes in and out the connection, and it's been a real pain in the butt to the point where I go walking or I talk on the phone, it cuts out almost all the time, or anytime I turn my head or something like that. I was even riding my electric scooter, which you can see on the screen right now, because I'm going to be doing a video on one. A Rev Ride sent me one. It's so much fun. I'm going all over the place with this story, but regardless, there's an update that got pushed out yesterday, actually, and it improved system reliability. It's a small update, 2.2 megs, but it fixed my issue. After doing this update, I don't have any connectivity issues where the connection goes in and out. I mean, it does occasionally, but definitely not as often and not as long either. This is like, it's fixed like 95% of the issues I was having with my Galaxy Buds Live. So if you haven't done this update, go into that Galaxy, or the Gear app, whatever it's called, Galaxy Gear app, and do the update. It's free, why not do it? Fix your junk, guys and girls. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, new videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, which buds or headphones do you use on a regular basis? For me, it's the Galaxy Buds Live. That's what I've been using a lot of. Also, I've been using these some TCL ones that were sent to me. These ones over here. You probably hate when I come off camera. It's very unprofessional, but I'm just being natural with you guys. These ones, TCL sent these over to me. I have a review video coming up, but they're actually pretty good. I've been using these when I was getting annoyed with the Galaxy Buds Live connectivity issues before yesterday, and these are decent. I think they're like $70, something like that. But anyways, let me know what you guys use. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace.